You know, I gotta give an A plus to creativity because that's something that I feel like on YouTube it's not as easy to be creative anymore. And so A plus to creativity here. Somebody actually went ahead and unboxed the new Tri-Foldable cell phone from Samsung underwater. Now, you might say, why? Well, it is IP. Is it? I believe this is 6.9. 6.9 when it comes to the dust resistant, water resistance. Um, so yeah, it's waterproof up to 5 meters for 30 minutes at a time. So technically speaking, it should be fine and everything should be okay. Now the charging cord in the box, I don't think, theoretically speaking, is going to be okay because, yeah, in the box, charging cords are definitely not gonna work out too well underwater. Here's something I think interesting. So this is again underwater, right? The water is beating off of it. Okay, hold up. So if you've seen the not the Z Fold, you've seen the Samsung, I think it's the 25, the brand new one. It has like this resistant coating on it where if you drop water on it, it beats off of it. It's waterproof pretty much. The screen is actually water resistant, so water won't stick on the screen, right? You take an iPhone, you pour water on it, the screen is wet, right? While with the new S series, it doesn't do that. The water just kind of beats off of it like little plumps of water. That's how it looks right here, right? You see how the water droplets are kind of just not like, again, the phone doesn't look wet. It looks like the water droplets are on top of the phone rather than it actually being wet. That's weird to me, actually. Hang on, let me try to pull up a picture of this. Again, like I said, I think it's the S25 Ultra waterproof screen. Let me see. It's like a really cool thing. It's not just the S25. There's other phones that do it too. Let's see. Beat off screen. Okay, I'm trying to see if I can find a video of it. But I guess this is kind of like the concept of it. Not really as much, but pretty much like you put water on the screen and it just goes off the screen. Like it doesn't stay on the screen. So after you pour water on it, like a second later, you take a phone out of the water, it's no longer going to be wet. It's just going to be dry, which is weird because that's like the opposite of what you would expect as an advertisement here pops up real fast. But that's not what we're used to with cell phones, right? With cell phones, we're used to, you put water on a cell phone, it's going to be wet. Like, that's just kind of how it is. Okay, is this video, like, broken? Okay. Video was broken for a second. Kind of, yeah, exactly. So, here we go. That's actually a great concept. So, you can see, it's like the water's beating off the cell phone. Which, again, once you take the cell phone off, it's not wet. See? Like, it's not wet at all. It's just completely dry. That's what it looks like in this video. It looks kind of like that, too. Where the water's not, like, sticking to the actual phone. It's kind of, like, resisted around the phone. Interesting. Anyways, tell me down below your thoughts, opinions, guys. I thought this was interesting. I want to talk about this today. That's pretty much it.